Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a useful feature in Microsoft Word, the Editor tool. If you're looking for an easy way to check and correct spelling and grammar errors in your document, the Editor tool is perfect for that. Let's get started. First, open up your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure you're working on the document where you'd like to make corrections. Now head to the Home tab in the ribbon, which is located at the top of your screen. On the far right side, you'll see the Editor button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on Editor, a pane will appear on the right side of your screen. In this pane, you'll find various categories such as spelling, grammar, and even clarity suggestions. These categories will show you errors that need correction. Click on the spelling category first. Word will highlight any spelling mistakes it finds in your document. You'll be given suggestions, and you can either accept the correction by clicking Change, or if you believe it's correct, you can ignore the suggestion. Next, click on Grammar. This will show you any grammar issues in your text, such as incorrect punctuation, sentence structure, or word choice. As with spelling, you can review the suggestions and decide whether to apply them or not. The Editor tool also provides suggestions, conciseness. These are optional, but can help make your writing clearer and more professional. You can click through the different sections to review each of these suggestions. Once you've reviewed and made all the necessary changes, your document should be polished and error-free. If you've missed something, don't worry. Just run the Editor tool again to ensure everything is in check. And that's how you can use the Editor tool in Microsoft Word to correct text. It's a quick and efficient way to improve your writing, whether you're working on an essay, a report, or even just a letter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.